Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about wireless gaming headsets for PC, the Acer headset. If you're looking to elevate your gaming experience, stay tuned because we've got everything you need to know about this sleek piece of tech. Right out of the box, the Acer headset promises to redefine your gaming sessions with its cutting-edge features and ergonomic design. Designed specifically for PC gaming enthusiasts, it combines premium audio quality with comfort for those long gaming marathons. Enjoy seamless connectivity with its advanced wireless technology. No more tangled cables, just pure freedom of movement. Dive into the game with crystal clear sound quality and immersive 7.1 surround sound. Every footstep, every gunshot, feels incredibly real. Designed for extended wear, the Acer headset features plush ear cups and an adjustable headband. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to hours of gaming comfort. Trolls. Easily adjust volume, mute your microphone, or even customize your audio settings directly from the headset. It's all about convenience at your fingertips. Moving on to build quality. This headset doesn't just look good, it's built to last. The sturdy construction ensures durability without compromising on style. Plus, it's lightweight, so you can wear it for hours without feeling weighed down. Now, let's talk performance. Whether you're in the heat of battle or exploring vast virtual worlds, the Acer headset delivers. Thanks to its low-latency connection and high-fidelity audio reproduction, every sound cue is precise and every command is executed with lightning-fast response times. Battery life is always a concern with wireless devices, but fear not. The Acer headset boasts an impressive battery life of up to 20 hours on a single charge. That's enough juice to outlast even your longest gaming sessions. So, is the Acer headset worth it? Absolutely. For PC gamers who demand the best in audio performance, comfort, and style, this headset ticks all the boxes. Whether you're a competitive gamer or a casual player, investing in the Acer headset means investing in an enhanced gaming experience. That wraps up our review of the Acer headset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest tech products. Until next time, happy gaming!